What's up, everybody? I have a couple of unboxings for you. I know I've said this in the past, I don't get a whole lot of Bibles these days, and one of these things is not a Bible. So I'm excited to open it up and take a look, but this one is a Bible. I'm going to open it second. I know what this one is, and I'm really excited because I've wanted one for a long time. So let's first open up this from B&H Publishing, which should be CSB, the CSB translation. All right, I love when they include lots of packaging here. All right, here's what we got here. So here's what this is. This is not a Bible, but all the good people at Holman contacted some of us that review these Bibles, and they're sending these out. What this is actually, it's Smithsonian. This is a really nice cover. This is the Old Testament Handbook. It's essentially, my understanding is it's like a survey. It's a book to help you understand the Old Testament a little bit more. The back says, immerse yourself in the Old Testament. It's basically a Bible handbook. So I'm excited to look through this and review it. It looks like it's full color, which is really, really nice. Priests, prophets, and kings. I'm really anxious to look through this because the Old Testament can be hard to kind of understand, and I want to see what kind of resources Holman's putting out. So I'll be doing a review on this in the next couple of weeks. But without further ado, let's get to this one, because this is a Bible that I've wanted for a long time, and I'm excited to be able to review it. Let me make sure. These are kind of hard to open. Again, I know what this is. All right, you guys know what that black box means, don't you? So let's get the box out of the way. This is the ESV Heirloom Omega, the coveted Omega. I've never had an Omega. I do have a couple of ESV Heirloom Edition Bibles, and I'm excited to review this one for you. Let's open it up. Ooh. And of course, it has their pledge here and the nice little velvet cover for the Bible. This is actually quite a bit thinner than I expected. And this is just this is the standard Heirloom Omega in black goat skin. So it looks like we have 4 ribbons. Is this accurate here? Look. It looks like 4 ribbons. Let's open it up and take a look. Oh, ESV. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. They included 4 ribbons. You guys know that I'm a ribbon guy. So they're giving us 4 ribbons. I might go through and iron those when we do the actual review. It's a dual column paragraph format Bible. This is a really nice Bible, guys. If you don't know the Omega, I feel like this is the ESV Omega shows up and gets talked about in the forums a lot because it's a really nice Bible. It's kind of the Omega. It's just a popular Bible is all. So I'm excited to actually get one. They are kind of pricey, but I'm excited to be able to review it for you guys because this might be something that you're interested in. You know I like my raised hubs. There will be a full review on this coming in the near future, but I like to open them up and show you guys what's coming down the pipe. So we do have this Old Testament Handbook put out by Holman in the CSB translation, and we have the ESV Omega, the world famous. I don't know if it's world famous, but the Bible reviewer famous ESV Omega. I have one finally. I get to take a look at it and review it for you guys. That'll be coming out soon. Don't forget, be the Christians you claim to be.